We're going to do a test of how much fluid is remaining in the old style versus the new style engine oil pans here. If you're unaware, I did a video on this new design engine oil pan here for the 3.0 Duramax diesel versus the old design. I was doing a comparison. Somebody actually made a good question on there asking how much fluid is left, if we could do a little test here. So here's what I did. I poured in 2 cups of water. I'm at my house. You got to bear with me, guys. So 2 cups of water into each. You can already see how much more that one is submerged. Maybe you can't. It's kind of tough. But we will go ahead and drain those out. Let me show you the setup. I try to make it as even as possible. They're each stacked up with 2 PPE engine oil filters high. You can see each one back there, and then I got a box on there to keep it flat. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, let's move this out here. Let me just set this down. We're going to go ahead and drain to see how much we get out of here. Right, all right, so we drained out just, let me just set that there. How about that? There we go. That's how much it drained. We're going to go ahead and put that back in there. For science. And now, I'm going to go ahead and set this up again. Let me see if I can get some zoom going here. All right, bear with me. All right, we're going to go ahead and drain this one now. I chose the worst angle. Considerably more. Wow. Look at that. That is crazy. Look at that. What a difference. Now, these are not exact angles of which that they'll be on the actual engine itself, but look how little amount there is left inside there. That is a very drastic difference, as you can see. We're about more than a cup over what was drained from the old style engine oil pan. So that new drain plug style is definitely in a much more optimal position, that's for sure. This is the difference right here. You can see how much water is left inside this pan. I drained this one again so that way we can have a comparison versus this much. That is a crazy difference. This almost makes me wonder if this step right here is intended to force the fluid downward. Otherwise, we would have this much sitting over there. So more optimal drain plug position, as well as that step right there. That might be helping. So that's a pretty cool little change. We're going to do a rough capacity comparison here. We have the new one on the right side, the old one on the left side. We're going to go with 2 cup increments of water. I'm going to pour these into those, and we're just going to kind of look at the level and judge to see which one has the greater capacity. As we can see, this is cut off here, but it's a little deeper there. And this is open right here, but there's that step right there. So this should be interesting to see, but let's go ahead and get to it. All right, this is the old pan. We're going to go ahead and put in 2 cups to start. Here is 4 cups. There's 6 cups. All right, so we have 6 cups inside here. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 cup increments on the new pan. Here's 4. Now here's 6. All right, so we have 6 cups of water in each. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. This is a 1 cup pour. I got it right to the edge. All right, so this one has 7 cups in it. Well, this one has 6. Let's go ahead and watch this now. Seven cups in each. I tell you, they look just about even. This one's right at the edge here, right at the lip. This one's right at the lip as well. I think we're pretty close to the same on this one. All right, so obviously not perfectly scientific here, but I've got 7 cups in each pan, and honestly, they look almost identical visually. The angles, I believe, are very close to the same, so I believe that these are pretty darn close to the same. So there's no extra oil capacity. The gain is the lower mount of the drain plug right there, as you can see, for better drainage.